G'day folks, welcome to the Queensland Weather App from Oz Cyclone Chasers this morning, 15th of November 2022. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed, safe accredited shed. They can deliver one right across Queensland. This morning we can see a little bit of light patchy rain across northern inland Queensland, big storms across the Gulf and extending into parts of Mornington Island and through the southern Gulf at the moment. As we look at what's happening or what's expected to happen today, looking at our forecast storm rainfall, we can see that there is some thunderstorm activity and shower activity expected in isolated pockets through eastern and northern Queensland, becoming a bit more scattered across northern Queensland and the Western Cape as the afternoon progresses. You can see some of this convective rainfall is pushing towards the coastline, particularly in that Townsville to Ingham area. As we progress through the evening hours, we can see that storms continue on overnight and potentially particularly in the inland North Queensland, inland Cape region. And then as we go into the early part of tomorrow, we can see some showers and thunderstorms tracking westwards off the Cape into the Gulf again in the morning. Looking at rainfall potential between now and tomorrow morning, we can see our favoured areas of more significant convection over the northern inland and Western Cape region, southeast Gulf country too, and some showers and storms are possible around that northeast Queensland, just inland of that coastline, as well as some very isolated activity through central eastern Queensland. You can see our thunderstorm steering winds are going to be driving those storms towards the coast from about Ingham southwards, if they can survive long enough in a marginal environment. And when we take a look at our storm probability imagery, we can see that some of these storm probabilities are extending onto parts of the coastline around southern northern Queensland. Surface winds today across most of Queensland are expected to be generally light, bit fresh as we go into western Queensland, some pretty gusty southerlies across northwestern Queensland. But overall, if you're out on the water today, should be a nice day. Just be aware the sea breeze is going to kick up. We've got a little surface trough very close to the coast here, so the sea breeze is going to kick up across central Queensland and parts of North Queensland through the afternoon and this evening. Pretty warm day across parts of central Queensland and North Queensland. Humid as well if you're east of that little surface trough line just inland of the coastline and you're up in the Gulf and Cape region. Very humid up there as well. We go into heaps more detail about those storms across central east and northeast Queensland in our subscription update. So head to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au and check out our subscription options if you'd like to support us and like to get those very in-depth updates. I'll have another chat to you tomorrow morning.